Namaste, welcome to Yoga Life. This is Vicki. Today I am going to teach you Ashtanga Sun Salutation B, how to do in a correct way. Follow me. Bend your knees, slowly inhale up the chair pose. Join your palms, look at your thumb, straight your elbow. Exhale, go forward and head down, the head to knee pose. Inhale up, slowly look front side, straight your back, lengthen your spine. Exhale, press the palm, jump back, Chaturanga. Inhale up, slowly Upward-Facing Dog, the Utkatasana. Exhale, Downward-Facing Dog, the Untitled. Try to straight your knee. From here, adjust the left foot 45 and take a right leg front between your palm with a 90 degree. From here, push your hip down, open your chest and slowly take our hands over your head. The Virabhadrasana, the Warrior One. Exhale, press the palm, Chaturanga. Inhale up, the Upward-Facing Dog, Utkatasana. Exhale, Downward Dog, the Utkatasana. Now change the leg, adjust the right leg 45, take our left leg front between your palm with a 90, push your hip forward, slowly take our hands over your head. The Warrior One, the Virabhadrasana. Exhale, press the palm, Chaturanga. Inhale up, the Upward-Facing Dog, Utkatasana. Exhale, Downward Dog, the Utkatasana. From here, look front side, bend your knee, and jump between your palm and look front. Exhale, slowly head down. From here, bend your knees and slowly take our hands up in the chair pose. Exhale, slowly Samastati. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Follow for more videos. Thank you.